All right, guys, you're welcome to this lesson. In this question, we want to find the value of x. Just so you know, this is an Olympiad mathematics question, and we want to find the value of x. So just stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to walk you through the whole process one step at a time. So guys, let's get started. Now, I would like to say 6 to the x minus 2 to the x is equal to 32 can be expressed as 4 times 8, right? 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, then all of these guys have a power 1, right? You know, it's just natural to have a power 1, right? That is perfect. And you know, 1 is the same as 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2 is 1. So if I replace 1 as 2 upon 2, no problem. And you're going to know why I'm doing all of this in a moment. So that becomes 6 to the x all upon 2 upon 2 minus 2 to the x all upon 2 upon 2 equal to 4 times 8. Perfect. Yeah, because the idea is that one will make all of this guy turn out to difference of 2 square. So I can go ahead and say, you know, if you have a to the m or to the n is the same as a to the m times n, right? This is what it is. So in other words, these guys, the connection between these two guys is multiplication. And you know, this is x times 2 over 2. So I can go ahead and say, let it be x over 2 times 2, as if to say, I just did this multiplication. And I am only preserving this guy. So this is 1 times 2 is 2, then x times 2 remains like that. So what it means is that this is going to be like 6 to the x upon 2 all to the 2 minus 2 to the x upon 2 all to the 2 equal to 4 times 8. Now, at this point, is it clear? What we only did was, you know, we are supposed to multiply. This is supposed to be 2x over 2, but I decided to multiply just this denominator because I want to preserve this power right here for the difference of 2 squared. Now, what is difference of 2 squared? If you have a squared minus b squared, the result will be a minus b times a plus b, right? Perfect. So this is like a difference of 2 squared. So this is like my a and this is like my b. So it's going to be, in return, it's going to be like this, 6x upon 2 minus 2x upon 2 times 6x upon 2 plus 2x upon 2 equal to 4 times 8. Interesting. So let's clean up this side. Let's clean up this side so we can have enough space to solve the remaining questions. So if you're still watching up to this very moment, make sure you hit the subscription button. And if you find value from this video, you can also share it to others as well. So guys, let's keep solving. Now, this product times this product gave us this product. So we could pair them. We could pair it up from here. We could equate them up from here. We could say 6x upon 2 minus 2 to the x upon 2 is equal to 4. And 6x upon 2 plus 2x upon 2 is equal to 8. So it's possible. We can call this one equation 1 and equation 2. Okay? The whole mission is to find the value of x, right? So let's keep going. So from this very point, we have a simultaneous equation. And we can solve this simultaneous equation by elimination. Okay. If we decide to subtract equation 2 from equation 1, as if to say this quantity minus this quantity, you can see now that this quantity will take out this quantity because 6 to the x upon 2 minus 6 to the x upon 2 is 0. So these guys will go away. Now we'll be left with minus 2x upon 2 minus plus is minus, so that will be minus 2x upon 2 equal to 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Perfect. So minus this is going to be minus 2 of those quantity, 2 to the x upon 2, right? Equal to minus 4. Yeah, so this is like minus 2 minus 2 minus this quantity minus this quantity will give me minus 2 of this quantity. Just like, let me show you, just like minus a is going to give us minus 2a, right? Just like this is like 1a here, 1a here. So minus 1a will give us minus 2a. You get it? So this quantity is like the variable here. So it's going to give us minus 2 of this quantity. I hope it's clear. So let me clean up this one. So from this very point, what do you think we are going to do from here? We can go ahead and divide everybody by minus 2, like this. So this minus cancel out, 2 cancels out, so that we have 2 to the x over 2 is equal to 2. And again, 2 is the same as 2 to the power 1, right? So when the base are the same, we can just cancel out the base and equate the exponent. So we have x upon 2 is equal to 1. And from here, you can decide to multiply everybody by 2 to get rid of the fraction. So you find the value of x. So these 2 cancel out these 2, and x will be equal to 2 times 1 is 2. So the answer to this question is 2. But let's do the check. Let's verify if x is actually equal to 2. Now we're given the equation 6 to the x minus 2 to the x equal to 32, right? Now, if x is equal to 2, let us see if we're going to get 32. If we replace x to be 2 here, so that will be 6 to the 2 minus 2 to the 2. Would that give us 32? Would that give us 32? Let us see. 6 to the 2 is like 6 times 6, and that is 36. And 2 to the 2 is 2 times 2, which is 4. And 36 minus 4 will give us 32, and that's correct. So guys, we've come to the end of this particular question. If you find value from this video, please let me know in the comment section. And if you have another way of solving this problem, please share with me also in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye-bye.